Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Sign into Windows with an administrator account before you make changes. Backup virtual hard disks and snapshots to an external drive first. Identify which virtualization platform you use, like Hyper-V, VirtualBox, or VMware Workstation. Open Settings, go to Apps and Features, and confirm installed virtualization software. Also open Control Panel, select Programs, and open Turn Windows Features on or off to check for Hyper-V. Close virtual machines in their managers before proceeding to disable features. Open Control Panel and select Turn Windows Features on or off to manage Hyper-V. Uncheck the Hyper-V box and click OK to apply the change. If prompted, restart Windows to complete the feature removal. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off to prevent Hyper-V from launching. After reboot, open Services. MSC and confirm Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management Service is stopped. If any Hyper-V services still run, set their startup type to disabled. If you use VirtualBox or VMware, uninstall them from Settings under Apps and Features. Reboot after uninstalling to clear drivers and kernel modules fully. To disable hardware virtualization, reboot and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings at startup. In BIOS, find Intel VTX or AMD SVM options and set them to disabled, then save and exit. After Windows boots, run systeminfo in an elevated command, prompt to verify virtualization features no longer report as enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.